First of all, what I've done is I have created some TikToks, and after that, I have created a TikTok in which I have also created another TikTok, which causes flex containers, flex item one, item. After that, I've created a grid container and store some items inside it. After that, I have created these grids. Open my style of CSS. So, first of all, for dot static condition, the position should be static, and for relative be relative, and for absolute the position be absolute, and for fixed it's fixed, and for sticky it should be with. And after that, I have applied but background color light blue over here, background color is light green over here, and light gold, and after that light yellow, and at last it's light gray. And inside it, I have also set an property. So after that, in these ones, I have set top 20 pixel and left 20 pixel, and after that top 50 pixel and left 50 pixel, and after that over here I have top 0. I set it to 0, and everywhere I've set the margin top to 10 pixel, and here's it's not just over here, and it's there's with 100% over here. After that, for flex container display should be flex, and this is around, and background color should be light gray and margin of 20 pixels. After that, background color should be light coral for flex element. Margin should be 5 pixel, and padding should be 10 pixel, and text align should be in center. After that, I have set the grid container, which will display like it's a grid form, like tic-tac-toe. It's also a grid form. And after that, I have tempo columns, so I've set it to auto. And I've said, so you what you have written 3 times auto. It's setting every row to auto. Okay, after that, I have done some of the stylings over here, which is for left and with. After that, clear mode, and this is what I was explaining you today. So let me show you the output. Okay, so over here, firstly, the fixed position is over there because it's always fixed. After that, this static position is over here. It's set over here. Absolute position is over here, and for relative, it's down over here. Here's the relatives. And after that, there's sticky position. After that, I have which I've designed in item 1, 2, 3 over here. It's the grid form, and after that, this is full left and full right, and this is create content. So this was all for today. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.